Silya Sorpananda Paramam Sanamine Gora Karuna Sorpaya Radha Krishna Prasayate suruh palangga Paramahamsa naramit nahi Gora Karuna Swarupaya Radha Krishna Prestayate So in our study program, the reason the process we follow is the first step in the right direction because the process is guided by God Himself. So we are very fortunate to come in contact with God, the Supreme Person, Lord Krishna, the all-attractive Supreme Person. And through association with the spiritual master, our dear Gurudev, through his life's example, through his teachings, through his guidance, through his mercy, we are able to chant the holy names of God. And when we chant the holy names of God, we experience realization, understanding, because we become purified from our simple activities, and it draws the mind away from matter. Not only that, but it gives us the correct transcendental understanding of our true transcendental nature and our true transcendental position and activities. So yung situation natin ngayon, nandito kayo ngayon, is the first step in the right direction. The right direction is to be in harmony with the pleasure of God. So itong material world na to, nandito tayo lahat at gusto natin, it's natural for us to long, to search for happiness, for security. Natural sa living entity because we are always looking for someone to depend upon. Natural sa atin yun eh. Kaya ang nangyayari, for example, you go to, when you come out of the womb, you're protected by your parents. Okay? They take care of your body, you. But the problem is kung yung conditioning, yung understanding natin is limited with what we perceive through our senses, and it's based upon the influence and three modes of material nature, walang kasagutan yung mga hinahanap natin. So yung katanungan na to ay tinanong ni Maharaj Pariksit kay Sukadev Goswami. Mga katanungan tinanong niya ay, paano tayo nandito sa material world? Bakit tayo nandito sa material world? How come we're in this material world? How come we're struggling? Ano yung paraan para mahinto na to? Ano yung mga religious principles? Sino ang first create? Sino ang first living entity? Paano nandito itong universe na to? Paano nakikita natin through our senses everything here? Ano ba lahat ng ito? Okay. Yun yung katanungan eh. Pero kung yung living entity tayo, na condition tayo by material nature and we are so diseased in a diseased condition of false ego, iba yung nakikita nyo. Kaya yung upbringing nyo, it's all about centered sa sarili nyo at yung katawan nyo. And definitely, yung katawan natin will die, to be very direct. Kaya stop enough of trying to perpetuate your eternal existence in this body. Sinusubukan nyong magkaroon ng kaligayahan, pero yung medium ng kaligayahan nyo ay yung katawan. Yung katawan magbe-breakdown, mamamatay. So, tama na yun. Kaya nga, bakit natin so much engrossed tayo? Ano yung engrossed? Tabunan tayo. Because of material conditioning, because of our encumberment dito sa material world, wherein we try to manipulate matter. We want to experience happiness with what does not belong to us. And not only that, a different energy from us. Kaya makikita nyo, araw-araw, halimbawa, yung kinag-usapan natin, vanity. Di ba araw-araw tinitignan nyo yung mukha nyo sa salamin? Tinitignan nyo araw-araw? Hindi ba kayo na-aware na, huy, bakit ko ginagawa araw-araw to? Samantalang itong katawan na to ay magbe-breakdown, mamamatay. Susunugin, ililibing, kakainin ng mga aso, tatapon sa tubig, sa ilog, kakainin ng mga isda. Okay? Magbe-breakdown yung molecule sa katawan. Bakit hindi ako makaalis sa ganong dimension? Okay. During the time when Lord Ramachandra is Lord Krishna. Okay. So he came, when he was here with his devotees, there's this demon Ravana. Okay. Ravana kidnapped Mother Sita. Okay. So from the material point of view, akala natin, nakidnap si Mother Sita. But actually, it's an illusion. Alam niyo illusion? Hindi totoo. Kagaya ng katawan nyo, illusion yan dahil hindi rin forever kayo sa katawan. Yung katawan nyo mabubulok, magbe-breakdown. Kaya kung pwede nga kayong, alam ba, meditation ng yogi, upo siya, I'm watching my mind. I am tasting the food I eat. I see through my eyes. I hear through my ears. And everything is rumble there, chaos. And I am the person. How come you are so confused? Kasi nga, you're identifying with the world of confusion, this temporary illusion ng katawan. Ang hirap umalis. Who will protect you? The Supreme Person. How is it done? When we are in the right direction, and that right direction, absolute right direction, the first step is to understand our true transcendental nature, who we really are. And our activity should be to do the will of someone who is self-sufficient. So you look for someone in your life, in your struggle to play Lord. You struggle to control. But you're still dependent upon material energy. Okay? And who owns this material energy? God. The Supreme Person. So Ravana kidnapped Mother Sita, but it's an illusion. She's thinking it's Mother Sita, but in the truest sense, if you read the pastimes, it's an illusion. So, if you look closely, who is Ravana? Ravana is a demon. Okay? He envies God. So the living entity na nandito sa material world, we're like little Ravana or little Kamsa. Lahat tayo. Because we try to dominate material nature. We try to exploit for our own enjoyment. We want to control. Pero ang nangyayari, we are in the wrong direction because of the conditioning. Ano yung nagpapahirap sa atin? Envy of God. Lahat tayo envious. We envy God. We want to be God. Kaya ang first symptom ng someone who's envious is the disease of materialism, false ego, which you are not. Kaya ang nangyari, you try to use material nature. Ang nangyari, we become subjugated. We become controlled by the three modes of material nature. So dito natin makikita, sa struggle nyo ngayon, nandito kayo. You, before coming here, nandito kayo lahat. You, before coming here, you want to experience, number one, security, comfort, happiness. Di ba yun ang hinahanap nyo, ng mind nyo? But if you're in the wrong direction, you don't know. It's all by your own power. You'll not succeed. Number one, you are limited. You are always in illusion. You are imperfect. The body you are imperfect. And you cheat. So a person who have these four realities, imperfection, cannot make or be an authority to guide us. Tayo yun eh. Okay? Kaya nangyayari, nagta-travel ka rito sa material world. You travel. At yung travel dito, hindi yung akara nyo travel, sasakay kayo sa rural or aircon na bus. You're traveling in this machine made of this body, and this body is dying every moment. And it's connected with the suffering that we are experiencing now, because yung body natin will be born, will get old, will experience disease, and die. Kaya mentally lang, yung thinking, yung feeling, yung willing nyo, yung security nyo, nasa wrong direction. Because you think you're the body. And because you're chanting, you think you understand. But we must be with clarity kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa situation nyo. Okay. Are you just here as a means that you're expecting something in the end? Or it is you're here because it is the means that will give you that experience, that day, that consciousness, wherein you are connected with the world that is transcendental and pleasing to God. You are now prepared to go back home. You're traveling, lahat kayo nagta-travel. We have so much, we think we're so powerful, we live our own world, in our own world. But the problem is we're always longing for someone to take shelter, to protect us. And that person is the self-sufficient, supreme person we address him as the Supreme Lord, and we call him Krishna, the all-attractive. Govinda, the giver of pleasure, the protector. Hari, the giver of energy. Or we call Allah, the all-compassionate, or the Father. So, the problem, we in this material world, this is the world of illusion. At yung mga living entity, to try, to attempt, to play God, you must be convinced with your illusion. Kaya nga, Maya is there. Enhances you, covers you, subjugates us by the three modes of material nature. And what is material nature all about? The three modes. It is about the experience. We want the experience of security and happiness. But if we are not in harmony with our true transcendental nature, with the wisdom that is inseparable from God, we will not experience the joy of God's pleasure upon us. Kaya we will be empty-hearted. Kaya yun ang mangyayari sa atin. You're traveling, lahat kayo dito. So, understand clearly, the world you're in is not your eternal home. So yun ang mga tanong ni Maharaj Pariksit kay Sukadev Goswami. So, who's the person? What is this universe all about? Who are we? Why are we here? Okay? And if you look closely, understand clearly, to be able to attempt, to try, to experience supposedly so-called happiness, where there is none, you must be in ignorance. Okay? Covered. Okay? Para ibig ko sabihin, para ma-enjoy mo yung isang bagay, attempted enjoyment, na maski wala naman doon, hindi totoo, kailangan ilusyonado ka. Alam yung ilusyonado? Ilusyon ba? Kailangan hindi mo alam. Ignorant ka. Yun ang situation natin ngayon. Dahil na-cover tayo ng illusion, dahil hindi tayo all-powerful. At ano yung nagse-separate sa atin? Arrogance. And that arrogance is not about we're so powerful, we don't want, no. That arrogance is that we refuse to see, and we cannot see that we're in the wrong direction trying to find fulfillment in an energy that is different from us, matter. Kasi nga, we come here to play Lord. Ngayon, Ano yung magbibigay sa inyo natin ng connection sa pleasure ng Supreme Person? When we understand that everything here belongs to God. Material nature is God's property. You belong to the Supreme Person. And you come here in an attempt to do your own will. Try to be God. That's why, don't you notice, God gives you what you want. If you don't want to serve Him, as you surrender unto Him, you're rewarded accordingly. Now, if you cannot surrender to anything other than God. But the question is, the pure transcendental relationship. So you're surrendering to God through your senses, through your mind. You're surrendered to material nature. Okay. Now, the question is, how can we become free? So it's a science we must be understanding clearly. Kaya nga, we chant, yes, but inseparable from the holy names of God is the wisdom. And that wisdom is about our true transcendental nature. It's the science of Bhakti Yoga, love for God. It's not something you make believe, it's not sentiment, but rather it's natural for us to be serving and loving because inherently we will always be serving. But without wisdom, we will have a hard time. Kaya nga, under the influence of the three modes of material nature, we are inclined to follow falsely what we perceive through material conditioning, what will give us security and happiness. Kaya nga yung karma, the law of karma, as you sow, you shall reap. Kung anong ginagawa nyo, yun ang consciousness nyo. Ba't ganyan yung consciousness natin? Because of the conditioning. Kung anong ginagawa nyo, yun ang nagiging consciousness mo. Okay? Kung ano yung hinihimas mo, yun ang lagi nakikita mo. Hindi ba nyo napansin, dapat sa consciousness, yung thinking, feeling, nakakita na ba kayo ng ano? I'll give you something na hindi napapansin masyado. Nakapunta na kayo sa sabungan. You came, napunta kayo sa sabungan, di ba? Sa tari. Habang naglalaban ang manok, anong mga tao? Di ba gumaganon sila lahat? Habang gumaganon yung manok? Di ba? Lahat. Okay? Dahil sa conditioning. Ngayon, sa racehorse naman, alam niyo yung karera ng kabayo? Number 1, Golden Sunshine, the stallion from Saudi Arabia. Ting ding ding ding, lahat nakaganon. Ting ding 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 ting ding ding. Lahat ng tao tumitingin. Sabay-sabay. Yun ang conditioning nila. Okay? Habang tumatakbo yung kabayo. Okay? Ngayon, nandito kayo. Yung narinig yung sound, material sound, either in the mode of goodness, passion, and ignorance, that will influence you. Now, if you're in the mode of goodness, iba yung sound na gusto nyo. Nasa mode of goodness, yung Mozart, yung nagbabiolin. Yung ginagawa niya yung, spider, ano yung tugtog nyo? Twinkle, yung spider, ano yung, Wincy, wincy spider, wing, 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 wing. Pero yung mga iba naman, kanta ni Mozart, yung bulag na nag-compose, yung lahat, may violin, may flute, lahat talagang, parang yung, alam niyo yung, habang nililibing na yung katawan, yung tunog ng, yung mga tao nakaupo, listen to the music, okay? Pero punta naman kayo sa disco. Okay? Oh, di ba? Okay? Pag iba naman yung music ng ignorance, iba na yun. Yung, nakita niyo yung nasa mode of ignorance, yung wala na kayong marinig, kundi kaya mga tao, gumagapang, umiinom. Yun ang conditioning. So, na-condition kayo, inisip nyo, I am this body. Okay? Maya influence us, the modes of material nature. Because We want to dominate material nature. Yun ang problem natin. So, it's clear sa inyo? So, ginawa ni Ravana, kinidnam niya si Mother Sita. At ang nangyari, yung story, yung Ramayan. In-invade nila yung lugar ni Ravana. Okay? At pinutol ni Lord Rama yung ulo ni Ravana. So, kung titignan nyo sa teachings ng parampara, Lord Krishna comes not just to kill the demons, but to stop the suffering that the person is experiencing from imitating him. Okay. Kaya kung ano yung influence sa inyo ng material nature, you must be able to see that clearly and be aware what's influencing you and how you can make this choice. And that choice is the process that God Himself gives us. So during the time Lord Krishna's here, 5,000 years ago, ang sabi niya, surrender unto me, I'll protect you. Okay? Surrender unto me. So, all those who came in contact with the Supreme Person are all protected, liberated, free. So in Kali Yuga, God comes na naman, purifying us from this material conditioning. So ang gagawin lang natin, the first step in the right direction is to follow the instruction of our spiritual master, God Himself, Lord Krishna, about this absolute science. So we will understand that, yes, how come I'm here in this material world? And then, what separates me from what I'm longing for? What are you longing for? Someone to love, someone to take shelter, someone to protect you. And that person has unconditional love for us. And that person is none other than the Supreme Person, Govinda, Lord Krishna. Hindi yung akala nyo dyan si Pedro, si Cordapia, si ano, hindi yan. Lahat ng meditation yan, illusion. So when you listen, understand the truth, because the truth is about the absolute transcendental reality of your transcendental nature, then you can be guided now in the right direction. Alam mo na kung saan ka maghanap ng kaligayahan at shelter. At hindi lang yon. Krishna Himself comes as the holy names, passed on by God Himself, by Parampara, the saintly person, to guide us so we can take shelter of the sound incarnation of God. In this Kali Yuga, age of Kali Yuga, it's a world, it's a time wherein everybody is confused. And you can look around, don't you notice there's so many individuals in this planet who try to imitate God. Anything that will stop them, that will destroy this illusion, they don't want to hear it. And not only that, those individuals who are influenced by the modes, who are in different categories or different, status or level or what they call yung ratio ba yan of their envy of God, they don't want to hear anything. And they are influenced and they influence others. Kaya it takes two to tango, meaning whoever whom you associate will have an influence upon you. That's why the spiritual master, Lord Chaitanya, introduced the Sankirtan movement to us, the chanting of the holy names, the supreme purifier, Lord Krishna Himself, that when we chant the holy names, Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda is there. So it's not a place, it is where the transcendental holy names of God is being chanted, reverberated, heard, being heard by all of us. And we ourselves take part in the chanting of the holy name. Then we are in association with Lord Krishna, with Lord Chaitanya. Because that is the prime benediction for this age of Kali Yuga. So yung sound na narinig nyo, that will give you pain. Yung idea nyo ng akala nyo security based upon being educated in a materialistic educational institution which is simply based upon economics, enjoyment of the senses, fulfillment, so-called fulfillment of our senses. But because we are not the senses, we are not the mind. So all the projection, if you can have it, if you can get it, will not really satisfy you. And not only that, if you don't get it, you're frustrated because you're thinking in anticipation, I'm not successful. I'm so poor. I was not able to achieve what materialistic school have been projecting. Okay. Naintindihan nyo? Is it clear sa inyo? Naintindihan mo? So, enough na humawak ng apoy dahil mapapasok kayo. Okay? So, what is this all about? So, the science of Bhakti Yoga is about the pleasure of God. And when we speak of the Supreme Person, He's transcendental to this material conditioning. He simply enjoys His relationship with all of us. He's self-sufficient. Kaya nga, napapasa nyo, God is good. Everything that God does is good, transcendental. It's about killing. It's about anything. In the material world, if you steal, it's bad. But with God, in Vrindavan, He steals the milk. Okay? Everybody's happy. Oh, Krishna's wonderful. But if somebody here steals something, okay? Oh, bad boy, okay? Everybody, weird. Di ba? Weird, okay? Krishna kills someone. Si Supala, oh, wonderful. Pero halimbawa, ikaw, out of anger, somebody tells you, bati mo dagway, kuha ka doon, gidunggab ni mo. Oh, killer. Ipreso. So dapat, enough na. Pero kung ayaw nyo, umalis dito sa mundong to, na nalulunod kayo, tayo, naghanap tayo ng kaligayahan, shelter, friendship. Based upon our thinking, our feeling, and our willing, based upon the desire in the mind, you'll fail. You'll not graduate. Kaya how to be exempted? To listen from the seer of the truth. To listen and follow the instruction of God Himself. Because He loves us. We are separated from the source of happiness. And that happiness is shelter and protection. Ang yakap nyo, yung malamig na katawan, walang init. Kaya lang may init, nandiyan kayo sa loob. So ito yung tinanong, ibabasahin ko to para kasi dapat lahat ng pinag-aaralan natin, sinusunod natin, absolute, eternal. Hindi yung may nagbasa lang ng Bible, yung Bible, ang dami-daming turo sa Bible, hindi mo nga maintindihan kung ano iba eh. Diba? Alam ba yung darating daw yung kabayo, na nakasakay sa kabayo, sino ba mga yan, okay? Anong connection yan sa'yo? Okay? Ano yung connection ng mga bagay-bagay na yan? Ang tanong mo, ano bang connection yan sa buhay ko? Okay. O best of the Brahmanas. Nagtanong na ngayon. Kasi dapat magtatanong tayo sa Diyos. Okay? Kaya nga, pag nag-chant ka ng holy names, coming from our spiritual master, then you become purified. You realize you're not the body. You realize that you are the person inside this body. You experience your transcendental nature, that you'll never, and you understand clearly, you'll never be happy with matter. Even how much you try to squeeze, suck in, because you're not different energy. Life is about love. It's about relationship. Anong suffering sa mundo na to? A relationship based upon illusion. Okay? I love you. Love mo lang yung katawan. Nag-breakdown yung katawan. yung buong buhay mo, attachment mula sa katawan na yun, you suffer. Akala mo, may certain energy ka na binigay, may konting yaman ka, ginamit mo lang sa pansarili mo. Then you experience the loss of your good karma and you engage in activities, then you may result yan. Good or bad karma naman. Kaya yung travel mo rito, walang katapusan. Walang katapusan. Lakad ka na. Yung minsan, alam mo yung si Samuel Bilibid? Yung Bilibid prison, galing pala kay Samuel Bilibid yun. No? Lakad ng lakad na walang katapusan habang nakakulong sa mundong madilim. Walang patutunguhan. Yun ang situation natin. So, kung ano yung dapat gawin natin? We must be with clarity. Klaro ba? Paano magiging klaro? Understand who you are. Yun ang beginning ng spiritual life. Who am I? Akala natin, spiritual life, oy, sama-sama tayo sa matanan. No. Who am I? Sino ka? Basic question. Until and unless alam mo kung sino ka, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Kung inisip mo ikaw yung katawan, okay? So yung pumasok ka pa sa eskwela ng Hiranyakasipu School, ang tinuturo, ikaw yung katawan. Pagpasok mo pa lang, anong kulay ng buhok mo, anong nationality mo, anong label mo, at dapat mag-take shelter ka dito sa matigas, malukot, malamig na material energy. Kailangan maging tough ka. Tough ba? Tough. Gahi. Tingnan nyo, lahat tayo gahi. Okay? Kaya pag sinabihan ka, sabihin sa'yo, sama na ugali mo, immediately. Ha? Pero kung titingnan nyo, inisip nyo, hindi naman masama ugali ko. Because the nature of the soul, you're gentle by nature. Kaya lang you identify with the false ego. Sa label mo ma. Okay? Sabihin siya, bati man mong dagway. Immediately, ako, gwapa man ko. Pero dahil inisip mo, gwapa man ko. Amerikana man. Ha? Amerikana akong bulok na buhok. Okay? Magalit ka. Okay? Kaya, mata mo talagang, pero dahil sa conditioning ng mind, you identify with the label. Akala mo, yun yung false ego Kinakat ba? Kaya sabihin sa'yo ng spiritual master, alam mo, you're arrogant. Hindi ako arrogant. Okay. Butan ba ako? Pinaka-humble ba ako? Okay. So, doon yung makikita ba? Kailangan natin may guide. At yung mag-guide sa atin ay dapat hindi condition ng three modes of material nature. Hindi condition, nasa illusion, limited ang senses, at nakakamali, at nanloloko. Hindi authority, hindi scientist. Alam yung authority? Bona fide. Scientist. Alam yung katotohanan. Hindi yung somebody na nagbasa lang ng Bible na make believe. Okay? Sabi sa Biblia, gawa tayo ng simbahan. Lagay natin sa labas. The name of the name of the name, the greatest name of all. At lagay natin, this place is protected by the blood of the Son of God. Okay? Pinturahan natin, pula yung daanan. To signify, yung dugo na habang pumapasok ka ay tinatapakan mo yung dugo ng bigating Son of God. Who has been sacrificed for our sins, for us demons. Now we are saved. Enjoy the world. Okay? God made this world for us to enjoy. Attempted enjoyment. Pero may karma. Kaya pag sabi niya, uy, nga naman, makonvince ka nila, mag-join ka na sa ila. Diri ka. Nandito gyud ang protection. Ang place natin is protected by the blood of the Son of God. Ewan ko. Kung isipin mo, kung matalino, kung mag-isip ka ba, weird man to. Pero bakit susunod tayo? Kasi para makapag-enjoy ka, attempted enjoyment, kailangan ilusyonado ka eh. Para kumain ka ng tae, kailangan hindi mo alam na tae yun. Okay? Para makapag-enjoy ka materially, kailangan nasa ilusyon ka, you're the body. Para ma-manipulate mo yung, para maging Lord ka, attempted Lord, kailangan nasa ilusyon ka. Akala mo yung control ka. Control lahat ng bagay. Ibig sabihin nun, you are trying hard, but futile. Hindi ka magsasucceed because you're in the wrong direction. Hinahanap mo yung kaligayahan sa hindi a different energy. Gross matter, hindi ka naman gross. A different energy ka, ikaw yung buhay. Yung katawan na to, gross. Yung mind subtle, hindi rin eternal. At yung conditioning, when you try to play God, kailangan, you try to imitate God, kailangan illusion ka eh. Illusion ka. So who covers you? God. Para magawa mo. And after a while, sa illusion na yon, hindi ka masaya, malungkot ka, ang tanong mo, wala yatang kaligayahan dito. I try to control lahat. It slips in my finger, okay? Gusto kong kontrolin yung person na to, ipapakita ko, okay, I got this much. Okay? And it slips. Bakit ganun? Halimbawa, pakita ko na lang sa inyo gaano ka-influence si Maya. Hindi ba attracted kayo sa beauty? Lahat tayo? Wala namang hindi attracted sa beauty, di ba? Pero kung ilusyonado ka, akala mo yung beauty, yung person, yung katawan lang, lahat, may nanonood ba ng ano? Hindi ba lahat tayo gusto natin mapanood? Sino yung pinakamalakas? Di ba? Kaya, Octagon. Di ba? Si Hulk Hogan. Okay? Sino yung pinakamaganda? Miss World, Miss Universe. Wala naman nagsabi, gawa tayo ng program. Sino yung pinakapangit? Okay? Wala, di ba? Attracted ba kayo? Sinong pinakamaraming sakit? May leprosy, may TB, yung katawan. Gagawin ba niya yan? May ma-attract kaya? Kaya nga, nung pinalabas yung movie, The Faces of Death, hindi nag-click. Ayaw ng tao marinig yun. Kasi sisirain yung mundo mo ng attempted enjoyment. Dahil nag-identify ka sa body, nagbabago yung, you're traveling from one body to another, hindi mo nakikita, natuliro ka na ba? Kaya araw-araw, tingin ka sa salamin, nasa katawan lalaki o katawan babae. Himas. May line. Ba't ganon? Tapos pagtingin mo, uy, patanda. Okay? Pagbukas mo ng ngipin mo, uy, wala naman akong ngipin. Okay? Buhok ko puti na. May sign na. Okay? Bakit? Eternal ka. Bakit? Kung yayakapin mo ay ang hindi totoo, it will just slip. Nag-slip na nga eh. Ibig sabihin, dumulas na nga eh. You were once in that baby body, in a young boy's body, in a young girl's body, holding this Barbie doll. Okay? May hawak ka ng teddy bear. Okay? Ngayon, nasa katawan ka ng adolescent, 13. Ngayon, 14. Ilang taong ngayon dyan. Iba naman yung gusto nyo. Okay? Ang hinihimas nyo, iba. Okay? Iba na. Yung hinihimas mo dati, yakap mo, iba na. Iba na ngayon. Eh dahil akala mo, ikaw yun, naghanap ka ng yayakapin mo. Eh yun yayakap mo, material, hindi spiritual. Yung teddy bear, yung Barbie doll. Okay? Yung buhok mo na, okay? Mukhang kabayo. Kulang na lang, me. Okay? O kaya, gusto nyong maging tough. Na si mga bata dito, kita nila ang top ay dapat kagaya ni nung boxer. So, pag buhukan, gupit, lagyan mo ng ganito rito. Okay? Dalawa. Yung iba naman, kailangan top. Yung buhok ko dapat parang samurai o kaya satuichi. Yung may ganun dito parang Spartan talian. Okay? Hindi nyo napapansin? Pag ilusyonado ka, you want to control, kawawa ka. Because that is not our true position. What is our position? To experience the joy, the pleasure of God. And it's about devotion, pag-ibig. Ano yung illusion? Lust. Yung love mo, yung security mo, napunta sa, para mas madali, yakap mo pupo. Okay? Akala mo security. Kasi molecules na yakap mo, nasa loob ka ng katawan na ito, made out of molecules and atom. Eh, iba-ibang pupo yan noon pa eh. Pupo ng aso, pupo ng elepante, pupo nito, pupo. Yun yung molecules na sa katawan. Iba-ibang forma lang, building blocks. Pero tingin mo, Amerikana ko, okay? Buhok mo ganon, tingin. Me, this is me. Pero pag gano'n mo, pagtagal hindi mo na mataas yung kamay mo, asa naman tong kamot na ako? Wala na. Kasi through metabolism, yung kinain mo, pinalitan na yung cell sa body mo. Eh yung body under sa law of time. Birth, death, disease, and all. Tatanda at tatanda. Okay? Ang sabi nila, you can die or age gracefully. Alam mo yung gracefully? Kanang smooth lang daw ba, gracefully habang tumatanda. Okay? Pero actually, experiencing old age is not that really, very joyful. Alam nyo bakit? Una, nakakalakad ka. Yung katawan mo. Habang tumatanda yung katawan, kailangan mo na ng tungkod. Pagtagal, wala nang power yung paa mo. Hindi na kailangan uminom ka pa ng Red Horse o kaya Red Bull dayan o kaya Samurai o kaya Cobra. Hindi ka na makalakad. Lalo na pag na-stroke yung katawan. Na-stroke. Nakaganon ka na lang. Naka-wheelchair ka. Okay? Yung old age, hindi akala nyo ng gracefully. No. Why is there disease, birth, old age, and death? To remind us that you, the transcendental, eternal living entity, different from this body, why are you here? You ask this question. Ba't ka nandito? Okay? Is there a way out? First, we must be following God, His teaching, to be in the right direction. And that is handed down through God Himself, disciplic succession. Kaya nga, ang teaching sa Bhagavad Gita, listen from someone who is a pure loving servant. Kasi it's all about your love. Yung love mo, napunta naman sa sarili mo. Akala mo ikaw yung pinaka-center. Pero, you want to love someone. God is self-sufficient. He's self-sufficient, doesn't need anything. Everything comes from Him. We are created for His enjoyment. And that enjoyment is based upon what He likes. And He tells us, if one offers me with love and devotion, a little fruit, a little flower, I'll accept it. It belongs to Him. He doesn't need that. But He's happy when we are offering in love and devotion, guided by His friend, our spiritual master. Kaya ang tunay niyong kaibigan is God. Intindihan niyo? Ang kaibigan mo, as someone who has unconditional love for you. Walang kondisyon. Kaya nga, makita nyo, si Kamsa, si Sisu pala, lahat pinatay sila ni Krishna. Because, it's not because God is, retribution. No. It stopped them so they can go back to the world of devotional service. So, lahat na nandito, it's an educational process na maintindihan nyo, I'm not God, I'm not the enjoyer, this world is a place of suffering, kailan tumahinto? Okay? So you make the decision. And now if you understand this clearly, and you engage, and you follow the instruction of God, just surrender unto me and I'll protect you. Protect you from what? From illusion. He opens your eyes. He gives you connection with His pleasure. Because now, you're completely dependent upon Him. So, your pleasure is the pleasure of God. Kaya hindi ka interesado dito. Your relationship is what is more important. Hindi yung illusion na, oy, nag-join na mo sa madanamuhan na iba na ang religion nyo. That's nonsense. Anybody who portrays that is a sentimentalist, who is a fanatic, who is blind, because they just want to perpetuate their lordship based upon their illusion. And can you be very secured when that person, his senses is limited, he's imperfect, he's in illusion, and he cheats. He's not an authority. Alam niyo, illusion, makover ka ba? Wala kang kaalaman. Yung scientist ay ang spiritual master and Krishna. Lord Brahma is the true scientist, the creator of this universe. Hindi yung mga scientist na yan na akala nila pure sila o kaya alam nila lahat. Kasi makikita nyo, they're servant of their senses. How can someone who is blind, who is imprisoned, free you from imprisonment? Okay? Sino magbibigay sa inyo ng freedom? The Supreme Controller. At ang problema natin, we want to be controller, small God. Kaya si Ravana, si Kamsa, okay, si Sisupala, lahat sila gusto nila maging controller, imitate God. No way. And ang nangyari, because they put pain to others, Krishna stopped their sinful activities so they can be liberated to go back home. The world of devotional service. So tayo rito, mas ano nga tayo mas mayabang nga tayo. We're so arrogant. Kaya nga, kung naintindihan nyo yung situation, we must become free from this material conditioning, from the modes of material nature. Kasi the more you try to enjoy, the more we're covered and influenced by the modes of material nature. So in Bhagavad Gita, in our study program, sabi ni Lord Krishna, ang katotohanan, you're not doing anything. It's material nature is doing everything. You're subjugated. You're in control. Under the control of material nature. Pero akala mo in control ka. Look very simple para mas maklaro sa inyo. Akala mo controller ka. Gusto mo magmahal. Nasa illusion ka. Na, halimbawa, dumaan dito, opening na ng klase. Nakita mo, dami, may mga estudyante pala sa mga bata na ang cute nila. Gusto ko silang maging kaibigan. Okay? Pero dahil sa false body identification ka, isip mo, ang cute niya. Hi. Okay? Tumingin sa'yo, sabi sa'yo, yung pala libat. Okay? Hindi pala ikaw tinitignan. Tinitignan pala yung isa. Pagtingin sa'yo, sabi mo, hi. Sabi sa'yo, hi. Pero nakatingin siya sa isa. Okay? Ilusyonado rin siya. Okay? Pero akala natin, kinontrol. Pero yung ano nag-influence sa'yo? Impulsigo. I'm this body. I'm human being. Mahal ko siya. Yung body na yon. Okay? Ganun si Maya. Akala mo, para tayong, alam mo yung puppet? Ngayon, dapat, kung ang mundo natin, we want to dominate God, malalagay tayo sa situation, si Maya yung puppet, si Maya yung nagaganon. Okay, kain ka pupu. Okay, punta ka rito. Mamatay. Okay, punta ka rito. Continuous. Laruin. Okay? We must be under the care of God. God should be our master, the puppet master. But it's based upon His love for us. The Supreme Person is not, subjugated by the three modes of material nature. It's coming from Him. You're coming from Him. We're meant for His pleasure. Kaya when you come with this wisdom coming from our spiritual master, you can see now, yes, I can use this material energy to offer back to God in devotion. Halimbawa, through good karma, naging magaling kang, matalino ka. Sobrang talino, kaya mo magbenta ng kung ano-ano. Kaya pag nagbenta ka, kikita ka malaki. Yeah? Pero inisip mo, pag daggan ako pera, may control ako. Bili ako ng ganito, bili ako ng ganito. Okay? Magdagdag ako ng bagong asawa. Okay? Hindi niya. Pero yung devotee, hindi ganon. He's a caretaker. He knows it's just temporary under his possession. He knows it belongs to someone. God. Kaya he sees with the eye of clarity with the teachings of Scripture. The teachings of God. Scripture is the teaching of God. Anong sabi sa Puranas, sa Bhagavad Gita? Krishna is the source. Everything animate or inanimate belongs to God. Knowing well to whom they belong, one should only use the quota that is allotted to him. So you're given a quota already. Kaya lang, masyado tayong in illusion, in lust, searching for happiness in the wrong direction because of the influence of materialism. Hindi natin na-appreciate we're being given so much. You've been given so much. Kaya nga nakakahinga yung katawan nyo. Bakit? Dahil may hangin. Okay? Yung katawan nyo made of water, 80%. Nauhaw kayo. Sino nagbibigay ng tubig? Si Krishna. Pero dahil hindi mo alam kung saan ka maghahanap ng shelter, protection, wala ka sa mundo ng pleasure ng Supreme Person, sinusubukan mong pigain lahat yan for your own enjoyment. Control. Is it clear? So we must become free from this lordship mentality. We should be the caretaker. We should appreciate we've been given so much. And now, the first step in the right direction is to be in harmony. In harmony ba? Alam niyo harmony? Kaaya-aya ba? Harmony. With the will of God. His will, His love. Kasi kung ang gagawin nyo, harmony with your own will, hindi ka naman God. Hindi ka self-sufficient. Kaya kung sasabihin mo sa isang person, I love you, hindi ka naman ng Diyos. How can you satisfy that person? Yung person na rin, isip niya, I'm God, I love you. So what happened in illusion, you suck one another and you are all unhappy. Is it clear? Stop this illusion. Kaya nga, I talk bluntly or yung the truth, it's painful. Okay? But it will cut the knot of your illusion. Tindihan mo? Isipin mo na lang ang shelter mo. Inisip mo, Mama, ikaw ang shelter ko. Ikaw ang shelter mo. Biglang nasagasaan yung mama mo ng prime mover. Okay? Saan ang shelter mo? Kasi yung mind mo na condition. Put your life in God's hands, in harmony with His will. Don't ever think na everything here will be on your hands so you can do your own will, because that is not the process of devotional service. So makikita nyo, yung science ng Bhakti Yoga, God comes, the scripture is there, it's all centered around your relationship. Relationship. Alam yung relationship? Anong relationship sa Bisaya? Relasyon. Okay? Anong relationship nyo sa isa't isa? Anong relationship nyo sa mundo? Anong relationship mo sa Panginoong buong may kapal? Pero kung ang idea nyo, puro lang ascending, so lahat ng experience nyo rito, suffering. Kaya anong magiging relationship mo pag pumunta ka sa, supposedly, follow someone who teaches you about God, and that person is also in illusion. Anong relationship mo sa Diyos? Makaluwas. Di ba? God, do my will. Save me while I'm trying to manipulate matter. Never. Yung devotee, my Lord, my life belongs to you. Kaya ang prayer ni Lord Chaitanya is completely different from the prayer of someone who is material condition. Anong prayer ni Lord Chaitanya? Oh my Lord, I have no desire for material wealth. I have no desire to enjoy beautiful women. I have no desire to have any number of followers of mine. My only desire is to be engaged in your loving service. And he tells, you can be present before me. You can be not present, but you will always be my Lord life after life. So yun yung devotee. Yun yung process na binigay sa atin. The holy names of God. The supreme purifier, God's love. The holy name. God incarnates as the holy names given to us by God the servant. So we can be loving servant of Krishna. So doon yung makikita, yung beginning ng spiritual life is to be able to redirect the mind by receiving the holy names, to purify the mind, that the mind becomes transcendental. Because material energy in a truest sense belongs to God. Everything that belongs to God for His enjoyment. Ang tayo, attempted enjoyment. Kaya hindi natin makita, wala tayong alam sa science to please God. Kaya ginagamit natin yung hindi atin. And we're thinking, I'm great. I'm a rich man. Pero kung tignan nyo, kung matalino ka, yung mundo, halimbawa, lumipad yung satellite, yung rocket, lumayo ng 1,000,000 miles away, yung mundo, nakikita pa ba? Ikaw nandun, I'm the greatest. Okay? I'm more, famous than Jesus Christ. Diba? Pero kung titignan nyo, asa ka? We are so insignificant. Okay? At ang nakakalungkot, and when you make believe, you're not make believe, you're in illusion, your shelter, my kingdom. Okay? Di ba nag-aral tayo last time, this body is a kingdom? Okay? It has doors. What if you identify with a cage? I am the cage. You're the spirit soul, the bird inside the cage. You're the person in this kingdom. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, how can we be in harmony with the owner? Lahat ng happiness na na-experience mo sa mundo na to based upon mental speculation, yung konting flickering enjoyment. Halimbawa, flickering ba? Gusto mong tikman tong bagay na to, matamis. Kain ka. Pagtagal, sawa ka na. Okay? Flickering enjoyment. Mag-enjoy ka sa senses, pag hindi ka pa rin masaya. Para bang, alam niyo yung glowworm? Ano yung glowworm sa Bisaya? Kumukititap na firefly. Firefly. Fire, pero fly. Langaw. Okay? Pero, glowworm. Glow, pero ulod. Okay? Yun ang enjoyment sa material world. Para mas madali, yung molecules, yung atom, akala mo, wow, ang sarap nitong pigi, paa, na inihang. Hindi mo alam, yung molecules na yun, dati, bangkay pala ng COVID. At nag-breakdown, kinain ng uod, kinain ng ibon, kinain ng hunter, tumubo ngayon, nandun na sa pagkain, kinain ng baboy. So yung baboy, kinatay, nandun na sa harapan mo. Mayroon pang apple sa harap. Okay? Inihaw, talaga. Ano sabi mo? I can eat a horse, okay? I can eat this whole pig. Pero hindi mo nakikita. Pero pag ilusyonado ka, ay, lami kayo niya. Lami kayang panit. Okay? Tapos, uy, ang taba, lami kayo niya, oy, suka, kain ka taba, kaya pagtagal, yung heart mo, puro cholesterol na, puro na lang taba, kaya paghinga mo, nakastambay ka pirmi sa lityonan. Pagtagal ikaw na ililitsyon. Pero, masaya. Chill. Hindi ba nakakalungkot? Chill, chill, chill. Ano yung chill? Napakalamig. May pag-ibig ba? Ano pag sinabi mong ang init ng pag-ibig? Buhay sa buhay. Pero ang gusto nila, chill, chill, chill. Yun ang mundo sa material world. An empty, cold world. Okay? Without the holy names, without God in our focus, without being in harmony with His pleasure, it's a cold, cold world. At hindi lang yun. Lahat ng akala mo, niyayakap mo, parang, kaya nga ilusyon eh. Pagyakap mo, bakit nawawala? Okay? Pag yung meditation mo, based upon matter, akala mo napakaganda. Yung ganda lumipas na. Mukha ng bruha. Yung niyakap mo, Miss Universe. Wala na. Nakaupo na doon. Tumutuloy yung laway na stroke. Yung akala mo na beauty, wala na. Pero hindi natin makita yun. At eternally, we're longing for someone to love. Kaya makikita nyo yung mga individuals. Kaya very important yung association. Association with devotees. Kasi the truth will set you free. Kung kasama mo will be influenced by Maya or illusion, ayaw nila maano yung katotohanan. Kasi it will destroy their lordship. Makikita mo na yung katotohanan, paano kita? Bulag siya, alam mo? Ito ang daan papunta sa Panginoon. Bulag siya, pero meron siyang balde, box dyan. Lagayan ng amot. So yung mga bulag, hawakan lang nyo to. Hawakan nyo to. May butas dito, ihulog lang ang inyong amot. Okay? Dahil ang kinakamot nyo ay hindi totoo. So, is clear? Clear. Pero pag alis nyo, makalimutan nyo na yan. Paglabas nyo, asang bola. Okay. Yung focus, yun ang point ko. Focus one-pointedly. And God will be helping us, assisting us. Take shelter of the holy names. Harinama, Harinama, Eva Kebalam, Kolomanas, Tebanas, Tebagatira. So yung prime sacrifice in the age of Kali Yuga is the chanting of the holy names, the Maha Mantra, the unlimited names of God. Yun yung process. When you sing, yung process ng devotional service, unang-una is hearing, glorifying God, because it gives pleasure to God. Okay? Pero pag uwi nyo, kung gusto nyo maging atleta, basketball player, takway? Takang. Takraw. Okay? Pag inisip mo, diri lang ko sa amo, kay tulog kain, takraw. Pag play na, palaro ngayon, takraw number 1 from Tampilisan. Okay? Nasinggadas. Okay? Nasipa ang bola, dili makuha sa uwan. Ang bola pirmi lang sa yantil. Okay? Lahat. Anak na ko. Amigo na ko. Okay? Ha? So, akala natin kasi yung spiritual life is yung tahimik, mukhang mabait, hindi nagsasalita ng, hindi nagmumura. Okay? Hindi nagsasabi, mga buang mo. Hindi nagsasabi, sabihin, you're very holy. Basta, diri ang box, diri lang mo ihatag ang amot. Okay? Ang babait nyo, dahil naluloko ko kayo. Na hindi naman ako talaga sugo ng Diyos. Nakadepend ako sa amot nyo kasi kung hindi kayo mag-amot, maning kamot ko magtrabaho, magkagud. Unsay na ibawa na ako, wala. So magtapas lang ko, magguna. Pero magdamit ko holy man. Okay? Kaya mga tao, pag magsabi kayo ng kasinungalingan, naniniwala. Maniwala. Kaya nga budol-budol. Madali. Pag magsabi ka ng katotohanan, walang makinig. Pero magsabi ka ng hindi totoo, sabihin ko, ay, Rada, kagwapa ni mo. Pag sinabi ko, Rada, tigulang naman imong lawas, wa ka pa naibawan. Ayaw nyo nun, di ba? Pero pag sabihin ko, gawin na dasi, nga naman di ka mo sulat, nga no, tapulan ka. Ayaw nyo nun. Pero sabihin, gawin na dasi. Bright ka kayo. Okay. Naadi ang amot, kahon. Kaya, ayaw nila. Pag malaman nila, para bang, alam niyo yung magnanakaw? Yung kriminal? Pag nakakita ng pulis? Anong gagawin nun? Dagan, di ba? So ngayon, yung mga so-called wannabe Lord, trying to enjoy, use material nature, and control people, play God. Pag nakita nila yung katotohanan, nakita nila yung devotee who's speaking the truth, layo sila. Di ka mo maminaw sa ila. Dili maminaw kay hypnotize mo. Dirila mo. Kasi our place, the name of the greatest name. Kanaan tong gipalo. The blood, this place is protected by the blood. Nakita nyo? This establishment is protected by the blood of the Son of God. Kuyaw, di ba? Kuyaw. It shows yung reality na we are all criminals in this world. Pero ayaw natin marinig yun. We are thieves. Sabi na, ay, kawatan. Hindi. Holy ako. I'll pray over you. Okay? Kaya lahat sila, I'll pray over you. Tanaw sa blood ni Jesus. Tapos lagyan kalaway. I bless you with the blood of Jesus. Pero laway pala niya. Ay, waka ng toothbrush, dili ko gusto. Pero okay lang sa inyo yan. Okay? So, Haribol, namaste. That's professional, okay? That's for Lord Chaitanya. Namo Siddha Swarupananda Param Sanamine Gora Karuna Swarupaya Hare Krishna Prasaya Haribol, everybody sing that.
aking